What you're about to witness is the worst thunderstorm of 2009 to hit our region in a long time. We had towns that were completely demolished, hospitals that were flooded, and mall parking lots that were 3 feet underwater. What you're about to witness is my house's basement and my yard outside. Prepare for Mother Nature and the destruction. It could happen to you.
Wow. Yeah, but holy smokes. My gosh. Hold on. Holy crap. So we just had a humongous thunderstorm hit us with tons of rain, tornado warnings, all that kind of stuff. And I'm here videotaping the aftermath of it. This is nuts. Check it out. Look at all the water. Holy crap. This is crazy. Look at all this. I hope it doesn't lightning. I might get scared. Big storm for just 20 minutes. Oh yeah, I apologize. I didn't mean to kill Daisy. So much water fall within 20 minutes. I mean, I'm walking in my lawn right now. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Don't dare step in here, but I might as well. I mean, this is just huge. Look at this. Look. Look, my feet. They're like the whole way down. Holy crap. Wow. My lawn here, so here we go. See how deep we go here. Alright. Hey guys! Shh. Man, look at this. Look how deep my leg is here. Here. This is where you gotta be at, right here. Hope there's no snakes in here. Walk over here, check this out. I mean, look at this. Look at this flow here. Holy crap! Hey guys. Yeah, I feel bad for you here. But yeah, this is just unbelievable. This just ruined everything. Well, I guess I'm not mowing the lawn today.